couple weeks ago, we finally made a camping trip out of the group chat. A broken brake calibre and a 2-hour drive, no aircon, and a few beers later, we were set up.
Actual get fucked out.
That looks so lovely.
It's alright, I'll watch him.
Nah, lift your ass up.
Are we ready? It worked! Double reverse psychology. All that psychology, man. All that psychology. Oh, yeah.
The next day, we decided to take our cars off-roading.
He's not happy about the window. It's taking ages. How's that?
Made it. Just for some context, I stalled up the hill as my diff doesn't lock in low. Also, the car wouldn't start, so I had to roll start it backwards.
That was cool.
Very.
That was cool. See, I just alright.
See, I can't do that because I can't lift my foot off the brake.
And my handbrake is broken.
I'll never fucking clean it up. Right, I'm staying down.
That window's still. Alright.
Hold up. Yeah, just go for it. Slowly, keep going. Yeah. I'll turn left if you can. Yeah.
Left hand down. There you go. Okay, straight up.
Oh.
Yeah, good, bro. Back's coming down. Come on, bro.
Whoa, my God.
Oh.
Fuck, you got lucky, bro. You got so lucky. What happened?
Bro, powered out.
You got so lucky. You just powered through a rock and just slid along the side of it, but somehow not done loads of damage.
I finally got it. I was like, alright, 4,000 RPM.
Now, everything was going pretty smoothly until James had gotten seriously stuck on the last climb of the track, so he had to winch himself out. Even worse, Rue's tyre was completely flat and James had the compressor, which meant Rue and I had to try and make it out of the circuit. Which we did. A quick tyre change, practice for the World Cup, and a ginger bit later, it was time to part ways.
No, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. It did rain. That was the best setup ever. Best sleep. It was really comfy.
Saw snakes, we saw joeys, we saw
Oh, what was it last night?
a cow,
Possum.
possum.
After a couple of eventful days winding through the Glasshouse Mountains, we knew there was only one way to end the trip. At the top of it all,